Okay, everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up our template for an easier way to trade. Okay. All right. Our EA. All right. First one, when you open up your template on the MT5, it's probably going to look like this, something like this. If it doesn't, just go to templates and click on naked swings. Okay. Naked swings will look like this right here. This is MT5 with Carbon Capital, our preferred broker. MT5 Carbon Capital preferred broker. You can get, if you don't have the link, if you don't have MT5 Carbon Capital Broker, you can go to our website and grab it at fxcapbroker.fxcopyandpaste.com, and I will be sending that. I'll have actually attach that to the end of the video. Okay, go to check on naked swings. First thing you want to do is go ahead and add your moving averages. I like the 200 moving average, the 200, the 50, the 13, and the 21, all EAs. Okay, EMAs. So I'm gonna come over here, trend, moving average. First one's gonna be my 50 exponential close. Don't matter which order you put them in, but 50 exponential close white, and I always make it the second one right here. Leave it like that. So 50 exponential close white. That's all you need. You don't need to do anything else anywhere else. Okay. 50 exponential close white, and the second one right here. Okay. Come back up here. Insert indicators. Trend. Moving average again. I'm gonna make this one 200 exponential close. I like to make that one magenta. Leave that alone. Same thing. The next one we're going to do, trend moving average, you got 13 exponential close. I like to make that one black. Okay. And then the next one I'm going to do is the 21. I like to make that one tomato, which is right here, right there, tomato. All right. So now I got my 4 moving averages on. Okay. Got my 4 moving averages on. The next thing I want to do is I want to open up my navigator. All right, my navigator right here. I'm going to go to, first thing you want to do is you want to go to the market. Right here, click on market, and you're going to search for 3 indicators here. The first one is going to be your custom spread. Custom spread right here. This one right here, free. All of these indicators are going to be free. Click on free, click on open. All right, now mine is, click on yours, is going to say download. Mine is already here because I've already had my MQL account open. So once yours is going to say download, and if you do not have an MQL5 account, it's going to say download. You'll click it. It's going to come a big box over here for you to register an MQL5 service. Okay, just put the email address and click the password, and then it's going to email you a verification. You open up the verification. It's going to give you a password. All right. So then once you do that, then yours will say open, and you click on open. I'm gonna click on download, and it'll start downloading right here. But mine is already there, so you must start an MQL5 account first. Very easy. All right, so you're gonna get the custom spread right here. Then once you downloaded that one, you'll see a download box there. It'll start downloading, and it'll be complete. Go back, and then type in show space pips, and it's gonna come up with blue digits FX open. Click on free, click on download, and then it'll download. Once you have that, go back, and you're going to click on candle timer. Candle timer. This one, I like this one right here, the Blotech candle timer. Free. Download. It'll download. Then you have all 3 of them over here. You have the Blotech candle timer, Blue Digits FX open trades, and the custom spread. These are the only 3 that you need. The only 3 that you need. Okay. So you go back, close that out. Then you can open up one chart, the one that you got your MAs on. Okay. Put it. So now you're going to come in, you're going to add the Blotech candle. You're going to double click it. It's going to open up. I like to go over here inputs and change the green to white. And I like to change my text size to 20. And you'll see what it looks like. I click OK. Go to common first and make sure I check that box right there. Allow modification of signal settings. Inputs. You don't need to do anything else. Click OK. Put your candle timer right there. The next thing is your blue digits open trades. All you need to do is put a check in this box and click OK. That lets you know you trade with open trades. Then your custom spread. Double click it. Open the box. Put a check here. Click on inputs. Scroll down to the bottom. These 260s, we want to make them, double click and make them 120. Double click that one. Make it 120. Reason being is it puts it down toward the bottom of the screen. If you left it at 60, it'd have been up here in the way of most times you can. Put it at the bottom. All right. So now you got those things. The next thing you want to do is you're going to download the Mac right here from our website. All right, we're going to get this MAC indicator from our website, and you'll put that inside of your indicators folder. Now, once you download this to your computer from our website, all right, once you download it from our website, or you can actually get it out of our Telegram group also, and I will show you that right quick. You can get it out of our Telegram group. You join our Telegram group, An Easier Way to Trade, right here. Click on An Easier Way to Trade. Click on where it says Files right here, and you'll see, scroll down. Wait a minute, that's the right one. Yeah, Files, okay. You will see, it's not the right one. It must not be in here. Could have sworn it was in this one. Maybe not. Maybe it's not in here. Okay, maybe it's not be in this group. It's not in this group, y'all, okay? But it'll be on our website. I thought it was in that group there. It'll be on our website. If not, let's say it's not in a group, so go to our website, download it. Once you download it to your computer, all you have to do is double click it on your computer. Wherever you have it on your computer, downloads folder, desktop, wherever, just double click it. And if your MT5 is open, which it should be, it'll automatically show up in here, okay? Once it shows up, then you can just double click it, open up, put a check in the box right here, go to inputs. I like to open this up just a little bit. Change this. We're using the 13 and 21 for our cross. All right. We don't need it for these two, but just for 13 and 21. The 13 is black, 21 is tomato. So I like to say my fast image is the 13. I change that to 13. Change this to 0 or nothing. Change this to exponential. Close. Then we're going to do 20. Same thing. 21, 0. Exponential, close. And I don't want the push alerts. If you want push alerts, that's fine. Push this off. And then I go to colors and I make this a little smaller. I don't need it so big. I put it on 1. All right. So now every time my 13, the black, crosses my tomato, I get a cross. Every time it crosses, I get a cross. 13 cross, you get a cross. Crosses, right? Okay. And this is going to be vital on our EA. All right. So now we have everything that we need here on our EA. Okay. Next thing you want to do is I like to come over and take this off. So I come down to properties here. Once properties comes up, this is what your property should look like. I always put the bid line on aqua and the axe line on yellow. So bid, aqua, axe line. Then I go to show, and I also add show bid, show ask, show last, and then that's it. Okay, that's it. That's all I have on there. Then I go to common, and I uncheck auto scroll. Take that off, auto scroll. Then I click OK. All right, so now my stuff is ready. All right, so that's that. Now I insert my An Easier Way to Trade EA. How you do that is one of two ways. You can download it from our website. Once we send it to, we'll send you the file. Not from the website, I'm sorry, but we'll send you that file. Once we send you that file, all you need to do from wherever you get it from, if we send it to you in email or you get it in Telegram, all you need to do is click that file, double click it, and it'll automatically show up in here. If it does not, then you can save it to your computer, whatever. Right click, copy it, then open up file, data folder. Your data folder opens up, go to MQL5, experts folder, and put it in there. You see it in here right here. You see it. Both of these are here. I got them in there. Right? Once you do that, come over here and right click and refresh. And it'll show up in here. Mine is already, it'll show up in there. Then to turn it on, I want to double click it. It shows up, right? Checkbox here, checkbox there. Go to inputs, and these are all your inputs. Now, this is where it gets to be vital. Follow along. You can make these MAs whatever you want to make them. I like, again, the 200 magenta, 50 white, tomatoes 28, 21, I'm sorry, black is 13, all EMAs. So my trend is my 200. My trend is my 200. You see that right here. No, where's trend? Where's my trend? Trend filter right here. Trend MA 200. That's what I want. Okay. My trigger is the 50 white. That's up here. 50 white. Okay. The only ones you're going to probably have to change is the 13 and 21. 13 and 21. My fast EMA is the 13. My slow is the 21. So my fast MA, I change that to 13. Exponential close. My slow is 21. Exponential close. Okay. I want to use the trend filter. I want to use price cross entries. I'm gonna say that to true. I like to leave these to true. I like to leave that to 0. Okay. I want to use the MA cross entries also. Leave that to true. Okay. Use my trend filter, which I want to trade. I want to trade with the trend. Leave that to true. All right. Now I can come down here and I can either trade using a fixed lot, or I can trade a percentage of my account equity or balance. All right. I can say I want to risk a percentage of my account to risk. And then I can tell it how many entries of each trade I want to take. So if price crosses and I wanted to enter 2 positions, I put 2. I change it to 2. If I wanted to enter 5, I change that to 5. However many entries I want it to run. Okay. I like to keep mine on 1. I just need 1. 2. I need to have 2 trades running each time. Okay. My lot size right here. And keep, let me see, trailing stop. If I want to use trailing stop, I don't use the trailing stop because my take profit, my take profit is I'm only going for 10 pips right here. I'm on my fixed take profit. I'm only going for 10 pips, y'all. I want to be in trading out because if I have 2 trades, that's 20 pips. I'm good. So 20 pips. My stop loss for me is normally 25 pips, and I'm good with that. All right. Use a trailer. So I put that on false. I don't really need it. If you want to use a trailer stop and go for higher pips, fine. Okay, that's fine with you. And then you have your trading hours. If you want to trade during the Frankfurt session, if you want to trade during the London session, the New York session, the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, you want to trade all these sessions, you want to set these to true. Set these to true. Okay? Or if you don't want to trade through them sessions, set them to false. Whichever ones you don't want to trade, set them that way. And then you click OK. Once you click OK, I want to trade all the sessions. Oh, actually, if I want to, I just leave it, use trading hours, leave it false. And if I leave it false, it doesn't even worry about this. But if I want to trade certain sessions, then I put it on true. Then you select which ones you want to use. I leave this to false. All right. Click OK. I'm good to go. Now my template is ready. I want to save the template. I'm going to save this template as default template. That's my default template now. So when I open up all my pairs, it'll come up looking identical to this. All right. So the pairs I want to open up are all, I'm going to close out the navigator. I want to open up all my Forex pairs. Start here with AUD CAD. I already got that one open, I think. So now I right click on it. I want to go from here all the way down to USD JPY. So right click, chart window. If you notice, it already comes up. Everything is here. Everything is here. Wait a minute. Hold up. Let's go back to AUD CAD. Well, I did not put my, oh, I know why. There we go. I was too far back. My crossovers, okay? So next, AUD JPY, right click, chart window. And just continually all the way down and get all my pairs open that I want to trade this on. So if you notice, my EA is on every pair. CAD JPY. I'm going to open up all of them so you can see. Didn't mean to do that. Come on here. Navigator, turn that off. Market watch. What am I doing? Oh, symbol. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm tripping. All right, EJ, chart window, EJ. I'm tripping, y'all. Been a long day trying to get this going for everybody. Look at that. I got so many charts open, it's acting crazy. It'll fix itself, though. It'll fix itself. I got so many charts open, y'all. So many things running on this computer right now. Pop in. NCD CAD. And we're going to do this for every pair, y'all. Just keep on down every pair. All the pairs you want to trade. All right. Once you got all the pairs open you want to trade, you can add gold there too if you want. But once you got all the pairs you want to trade, right click anywhere and click hide all. And it'll only have open what you want right here. All the pairs are open. Now, what's going to have it start trading is when you turn on the algo trader. All right. Once I click algo trader, this will turn blue and it'll start trading when it catches the cross. When it catches the trade, your chart will be ready to go. Your E is set to go. And that's it for right there.